In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can restore the deleted recording from Samsung voice recorder. Begin by launching voice recorder app. Then click on those three lines on the left and click on recycle bin over here. Now it's time to find any recording you wish to restore and hold it. Then hit restore button at the bottom left corner and wait. As you can see, when I go back, my recording was successfully restored. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!